The future of transportation is electric, and General Motors was once seen as a leading contender in this race. But is the giant automaker falling behind? From battery blunders to software snafus, GM's electric vehicle journey has been anything but smooth. Let's dive into the charging issues that have left EV owners feeling the heat. The promise of electric vehicles is clear: cleaner emissions, lower operating costs, and a quieter ride. General Motors has invested heavily in this technology, aiming to electrify its lineup. But as we'll see, the road to electric dominance has been fraught with challenges. Battery blues. The Chevrolet Bolt was supposed to be GM's electric breakthrough. Instead, it became synonymous with battery fires. A massive recall tarnished the brand's reputation and eroded consumer confidence. While the issue has been addressed, the damage to trust is a hurdle GM still needs to overcome. Production pitfalls. Demand for electric vehicles is soaring, but GM has struggled to keep up. Production delays for models like the Hummer EV and the Lyriq have left customers waiting months, if not years. In a market where first-mover advantage is crucial, falling behind on production can be a costly mistake. Charging challenges. Charging anxiety is a real concern for EV owners. GM has faced its share of issues in this area. From slow charging speeds to overheating problems, the company has fallen short of delivering the convenient charging experience customers expect. Software snafus. In the age of technology, software is king. Unfortunately for GM, its electric vehicles have been plagued by software issues. Glitches in infotainment systems, driver assistance features, and even battery management have caused frustration and inconvenience for owners. The Blazer EV, a case study. The Chevrolet Blazer EV is a prime example of GM's software woes. The vehicle was pulled from the market due to critical software issues. While subsequent updates have addressed some problems, many features were lost in the process. This incident highlights the broader challenge GM faces in ensuring software reliability. The road ahead. GM has the potential to be a major player in the electric vehicle market. However, the company must address the challenges it has faced head-on. Investing in battery technology, ramping up production, improving charging infrastructure, and prioritizing software quality are essential steps. The electric vehicle landscape is evolving rapidly. To succeed, GM must not only catch up but also surpass the competition. The road ahead is challenging, but with the right focus and execution, GM can overcome these hurdles and emerge as a leader in the electric vehicle revolution. The future of transportation is electric, and there's no doubt that GM has the potential to be a major player. But to truly succeed, the company must address the charging challenges, software issues, and production bottlenecks that have plagued its electric vehicle lineup. Only then can GM regain the trust of consumers and position itself as a leader in the electric vehicle revolution.